Alright guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed that first part of HHN 29 speculation from me and Nico, giving you stuff that's nitty and greedy. Now, we're going to give you two things here. Our dream properties for Horror Nights, and just for the fun of it, if you stick to the end of the video, I have bloopers from all the mistreats we made from this past video. Oh boy, there was a lot of bloopers. This video wasn't easy to make, but let's just say, we had a lot of laughs. I hope you guys can enjoy them too. Let's roll that intro for you guys real quick. Right now, we're saying our dream properties that can come to the event this year. So, I'll just come straight off the bat. I'm not going to talk so much about it. 25. My favorite year, possibly between this and 28. We had Freddy versus Jason. And I've been wanting a standalone Friday the 13th house since we got that. Because Friday the 13th, Jason Voorhees is such an opposing figure. It's sort of like Michael Myers. Like Nico is with Michael Myers, that's how I am with Jason. I feel like Jason is just intimidating. And the hockey mask, the machete, however he wants to kill people, it's beautiful. And I just feel like there's so many movies, because I think there's 11 Friday the 13th movies. They can just take stuff from all the movies and put them in a house and make it like a best of Friday the 13th. And I'm pretty sure all the horror fans out there would love it. But to talk about the other half of that.
Well, most of you will know the other half, which was the other half of the 25 house, was Freddy. And that's the next wish list one. It's a Nightmare on Elm Street. I forgot the name of it. I mean, who doesn't love Freddy? It feels so different compared to the other slashers and things and horror related properties. Everything, is we're gonna play this music while I constantly hack at you with some sharp object.
Exactly.
But Freddy, he attacks you in your dreams. He's different. He attacks you in your dreams. He has sharp objects, but that's not the point. There's a little more complexity to it, and it's not to say his part of the Freddy vs. Jason house is my favorite, because I think I definitely like the Friday the 13th part better, just from the atmosphere, but it was just being in the boiler rooms and things like that, and maybe having more maybe if they can have some sort of dream scenes in the house, I think that'd be really cool to do. And like I said, who doesn't love Freddy Krueger? So that's exactly the next one.
To add on to Freddy, just like Jason, opposing, terrifying. He really makes you scream, doesn't he?
Not as large, or it could be.
But he does really make you scream, doesn't he? Right?
Sure.
Segue.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So, my dream property. Of course, you guys knew. Originally, my dream property was Trick or Treat. And I finally got it after 6 years of waiting, basically.
6.
And I loved it. Now, I want something that I was teased with at 25. Something that was so close to happening. This close. I even felt the popcorn. Okay? I was like, yo, Nico, the popcorn. Because, dude, Scream needs to come to the event. It has such a huge fan base. There's so much stuff they can do. And it's like, it's so good. There's 4 movies, a TV show series, whatever they want to do. But I'm not going to talk about Scream that much, because you guys know Ghostface. I know Ghostface. So I'm just letting Nico go. What's up?
Speaking of faces, the last dream property we have to talk about is he's truly one of a kind. Some would say a king of horror, ironically enough, and that's because he's a Stephen King creation, and that's That's the boy. What do they do? Or that was dumb. What, for those of you who don't know, or you do know, it's Pennywise.
The
dancing clown, yes. Whether they do the old Pennywise or the old It movies, plural, however they want to do it, or the new one, because will the second one be...
Well, it's actually like a TV series thing, so it's like TV movies part 1, part 2.
No, I'm saying, will the second one of the new ones be out?
It comes out in September.
Yeah, they're not going to put that in there. So they could either do the 2 parts of the first It movie or the recreation, one singular movie. But either way, I mean, people have wanted it for so long. It's been speculated for so long. So why not give the people what they want, right?
Exactly.
That's all I gotta say. I mean, I don't need to justify Pennywise anymore.
You'll float too.
Exactly. Yeah.
You'll float too. You'll float too. But with that being said, those were the 12 properties that we feel like could be at the event.
Mm-hmm.
But to add on to Pennywise, my boy, Steven, Mr. King, let it happen. Just once. One time. It's all we ask for. I feel like if you let it happen, you'll love it. We will love it.
We're back.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck that. Give me an eye contact with you.
HHN speculation. What?
Let's read it and see.
Let's see what it is. Welcome
How
back.
do I sound so depressed? Cool. Let's see what people go through on YouTube now.
So,
Yep.
remember the binder?
Bitch is gone. No,
It's
we
gone.
never showed them the binder. That's fine. Who cares? Perfect. That's what I mean. Nice burp, I guess.
Hey guys.
Did you just do the rock eyebrow? It was on this binder. We don't need that. I shouldn't have thrown that in the refrigerator. Okay. Wow.
Shoot it.
What's the difference between us and the Packers?
Damn.
We're not on our couch in January. We're standing.
That's not even big of a...
Both of us.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
They can't respond.
This isn't Dora?
Nope.
Thought I could talk to you guys. Well, I could talk to you guys on social media. We have all our social media apps open. You want to hit us up? Instagram,
Plug it.
King Losh. Twitter, King Losh.
Wait a minute.
Or you can come down in the comment section.
King Losh. Oh, not that one. Okay.
That's Losh TV, baby. And to just keep things nice around here,
Yes.
like the video. Comment below what you feel like should come to the event this year.
Also nice.
And the red subscribe button down there, if you want to click on it, check out some more Losh TV stuff that's going to be coming. Press it.
Also nice.
And there's one more thing I gotta say. It's a little phrase, but I'm gonna let someone else say it. Nope. 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 Stay excellent, my dudes.